Hello, I'm Rob Bowman, and in this video I will be presenting our work, Beyond Subservience, using joint commitment to enable proactive CUIs for mood login. Conversational user interfaces, CUIs, are a promising interaction modality to engage people with self-report activities. These are widely used to study people's experiences and to support them with their mental health. However, this potential is limited by the prevailing CUI interaction paradigm of subservience to the user. This paradigm constrains self-reporting to be user-initiated. A consequence of this is that good opportunities for self-report might be missed. A more effective approach would be for CUIs to also proactively engage users with self-reporting. Ideally, they would do this at particularly opportune moments. For example, in the case of mood login, a self-report activity used to support people with their mental health, it would be desirable to engage users after mood-impacting activities such as exercise. How to design proactive CUI interactions is an ongoing challenge. The interaction characteristics need to align with the user's situation. If they do not align, proactive interactions risk annoying, disrupting, or even embarrassing the users. As such, new conversation-sensitive design strategies are needed to support designers with designing proactive interactions. This work proposes that joint action theory, specifically joint commitment, can be an effective framework to support designing proactive CUIs. This theory considers language use a form of joint action, meaning it involves an ensemble of participants acting in coordination with each other. This involves the participants coordinating on the purpose of the joint action. This happens by a participant proposing the purpose and other participants deciding if they will commit to it. When all participants commit to enacting the purpose, we have joint commitment. For joint commitment, 4 requirements must be fulfilled. The participants must all identify the purpose, be able and willing to fulfill it, and believe that all participants believe this to be the case. The considerations of participant ability and willingness offer a structure to involve a CUI's understanding of the user and their situation. What's more, the consideration of mutual belief allows for this structure to reflect the uncertainty of the CUI's understanding of the user. These concepts echo the processes that CUIs need to proactively engage users. Hence, there's opportunity to use these concepts as a framework for proactive CUI design. In this work, we frame CUI interaction for mood login as a joint action, and we discuss how joint commitment can be used to inform the design of proactive interactions. We highlight 3 key areas where joint commitment can inform design. First, when choosing a joint project to propose. Second, in handling uncertainty through the use of free sequences. And third, supporting alteration responses. In the paper, we discuss these areas in more detail and present examples. We also consider the wider challenges of and future work required to embed joint action and joint commitment into CUI design. 3 topics we discuss are designing proactive initiations. We consider the design of tools to support designers with this. Next, the conversation-sensitive design of joint actions. Joint action theory is a theory of human-human interaction, and therefore it may need modification to better align it to human CUI interaction. Finally, we consider how joint action theory and joint commitment could be used to support the design of more collaborative interactions with current CUIs. Thank you for listening to this video, and we hope you enjoyed the paper.